problem they have given, let A1, A2, A3 and so on, AN are the vertices of a regular n-sided polygon inscribed in a circle of radius capital R. If A1, A2 square plus A1, A3 square plus dot dot plus A1, AN square is 14R square, then find the number of sides in the polygon. Now, this is a problem where in algebra also in the complex number, this kind of problem came. It came in different flavor, but the basic foundation of this sum remains same. That is why this sum is so very important for the aspirants preparing for IIT Advanced. Okay. Now, see how I'm doing this sum. Here they have said that A1, A2, A3, AN are the vertices of a regular n-sided polygon inscribed in a circle. Okay. So let me draw a circle. Now A1, A2, A3, these are the vertices of a regular polygon. Okay. So this continues and let us say here it is AN. Okay. Now, okay, I'm just joining this point with the center of the circle. Radius of this circle is R. Okay. Now let me join this. Now A1, A2, it means the distance between the vertices A1 and A2. Okay. Now A1, A2 whole square we have to find out. Now think about it. At the center, can you tell me at the center what will be this angle? This angle, because there are n sides of the polygon, therefore this angle will be 2 pi by n. For our convenience, let me just denote 2 pi by n as my alpha. So this angle that is A1 OA2 is nothing but your alpha, which is equals to 2 pi by n. Now A1 A2 square, from the properties of triangle you can find out what is A1 A2 square, which is nothing but OA1 square plus OA2 square minus 2 OA1 OA2 into cos of the angle between them. So in this case it will be R square plus R square minus 2 R square cos alpha. Am I correct? So it will be, if I take 2 R square common, so it will be 1 minus cos alpha. So this will become 2 sine square alpha by 2. Is it clear? So that gives you what? 4 R square sine square alpha by 2. Is it clear? Either you can write in this way or you can keep the thing in the previous form, like 2R square into 1 minus cos alpha. Is it clear? Now, what will be A1 A3 square? Think about it. A1 A3 means we have to find out the square of the distance of these two vertices. Now this angle, in this case, this angle now will become 2 alpha. Okay, 2 alpha means 4 pi by n. So A1 A3 square will become R square plus R square minus 2R square cos 2 alpha. Yes or no? So it will become 2R square. If I take common, it will be 1 minus cos 2 alpha. Is it clear? Similarly, it will go on. So what will be A1 AN square? It will be again 2R square into 1 minus cos n minus 1 alpha. Is it clear to everybody? Now, the sum of this, that is, if I add the corresponding sides, A1 A2 square, A1 A3 square, and so on, A1 AN square will give you what? If I take 2R square common, what we will get? It's 1 minus cos alpha plus 1 minus cos 2 alpha plus goes on 1 minus cos n minus 1 alpha. Is it clear? Now, can you please tell me how many number of terms are there? There are n minus 1 number of terms. Is it clear? So, 2r square, if I open the bracket, 1 plus 1 plus 1 till n minus 1 terms. So, it will be n minus 1 minus, we are having cos alpha, cos 2 alpha, cos n minus 1 alpha. Yes or no? So, that gives you what? 2r square n minus 1 minus cos alpha plus cos 2 alpha plus dot 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 plus cos n minus 1 alpha, the summation of cosine series. What is the formula? That is, can you remember it? It is nothing but sine n beta by 2 divided by sine beta by 2 into cos first angle plus last angle divided by 2. So this will be written as sine n beta by 2. N means here n minus 1. So n beta is here is alpha. So n beta by 2 sine n beta by 2 divided by sine beta by 2, sine beta by 2 into cos the first angle plus the last angle divided by 2. Is it clear to all of you? Absolutely. Let me rub the upper portion. So we are getting the required sum, the given left hand side is equals to 2r square n minus 1 minus sine. We know that alpha is 2 pi by n, right? Therefore, alpha by 2 will be pi by n divided by sine alpha by 2, which is nothing but sine pi by n into cos, this is n alpha by 2, which is equals to 2r square n minus 1 minus sine pi minus pi by n divided by sine pi by n into cos n alpha by 2 is nothing but pi. So it is 2r square n minus 1 minus sine pi by n divided by sine pi by n into minus 1. Okay, let me rub the lower portion. 2r square n minus 1 plus 1. So it is nothing but 2r square n. Okay, now they have said the left hand side expression is equals to 14r square. So from here we can say that n is nothing but 7. Therefore, the number of sides of the polygon is 7. Have you understood this problem clearly? Okay.